I was thinking why not to film get to know me video. I found some questions in here and I will answer them while I'm doing my hair. So the first question, where did you grow up? I was born and grew up in Moldova. Where do you currently live? I am living in Dubai in United Arab Emirates for about 5 years, I guess. It's been a long time already. How tall are you? I'm 170 or 172. Dogs or cats? For sure dogs. I am a dogs lover. What year you were born? I was born in 1991. You are wearing perfume. What is it? My signature perfume is Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Tea or coffee? I like both of them, but mostly coffee because I can't live without it if I didn't drink coffee in the morning. I feel I'm missing something. What sports do you play or have you played? When I was a kid, I was playing volleyball in my school team and I was going to dance classes. That's what I really loved to do, and gymnastics. And now I'm not doing any of them. Do you speak any languages and how well? I speak Russian fluently. That's my mother tongue. Romanian, but not perfectly. I can understand almost everything. But with time living here and not having people who speak Romanian, I completely forgot this language. And definitely English, because I started learning English in kindergarten, I guess, and it was my favorite language, so I was crazy about it. I was learning it. Now the next question, are you single or taken? I am single and I'm not willing to change it. I'm single and I am kind of happy being single. I'm enjoying my life. Yeah, but if I will meet a person who really deserves to be in my life, definitely I will go for it. How long was your longest relationship? For a year. What is your go-to hairstyle? Here is it right now. So that's my go-to hairstyle. It's a vibe for me. Or a curly hair as well. What are your morning evening routines? You can check my videos, morning routine, but I didn't do the evening routine yet, but it's coming up, so stay tuned. What is your favorite Netflix show? My favorite Netflix show of all times is Lucifer. You must watch it. I just love it so much. It's the best show I ever watched, and to be honest, I'm not a fan of TV shows, but this one I was watching it like every single day, like 5-6 series at a time. What is your favorite genre of film and why? I have, I think, 2: comedies and melodrama. Comedies because I love being happy and I love laughing. The melodramas because it keeps me believing that love still exists and romance still exists and all these beautiful love stories still exist. So it keeps me hoping that one day I will experience something like this. What is your celebrity crush? Eminem. He was my crush since I was 6, I think, or 7. What do you do in your free time? Most of the time I don't have free time, but when I have free time I'm trying to read, meditate. What is one thing you wished people knew about you? And I'm the most sensitive person ever, but I never show it, and not a lot of people know that I'm so sensitive. Who is the first person you call when something exciting happens? That's my mom. She's my everything. She's my best friend, so she will be the first person with who I will share anything. Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? Let me try it. Most stupid thing I ever tried in my life. Can you dance? Yes, I can, definitely. I love dancing, and whenever I feel bad, I switch on the music and I dance. Dancing for me, it's throwing out the bad energy that I kept in myself for too long. Do you sing in the shower? When I feel bad, yeah, I do. It's so weird questions. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? Kissing? Do you have a tattoo? No. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I do. It's called lice. Do you believe in love at first sight? Yes, I do believe in it. Who was the last person you ate dinner with? It was my best friend. What is your star sign? I am Leo. I am proud of being Leo. What is something you look for in a partner? Mental support. Support in anything I do. I think it's the most important for me. How difficult is for you to forgive someone who refuses to apologize? I simply don't forgive. How many rings before you answer the phone? My God. Well, I don't answer straight away. I am waiting 3 because it's my favorite number. That's so weird. Have you ever ridden on a motorbike? I am crazy about motorbikes, and yes, of course, so many times. At what age did you go on your first date? When I was 16. After a breakup, would you rather be alone or be surrounded by friends? Better for me if I will be surrounded by friends, because in this case I will not be thinking about anything and won't bring memories back in my head. What is something about yourself that you hope will change but probably never will? Caring for others more than I care about myself. What is something you are gifted at? Singing. What is the item you can't leave home without? My phone. I won't arrive anywhere because I don't remember roads. I need Google Maps. Google Map and help in my life. What kind of books do you like to read? I love reading about law of attraction and psychology. What is the last book you read? The Big Magic. What book are you reading at the moment? Power of Now. What kind of car do you drive? I am driving Nissan 350Z. What was the last thing you bought? Christmas decorations? What is something you've never done that you'd like to try? Skydive. What app do you use most? Meditation app. How often do you skip breakfast? I always skip breakfast because I don't eat breakfast. And the last question, if you could save just one, would you rather save humanity or the earth? I would save humanity because humanity would save the earth. So I will end the video right here. It was so much fun to film it and to open up a little bit with you guys. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to be part of the family. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.
How long do I gotta keep